Hindi. Himala. Himala na kaboses.
Told you. Sabi sa inyo, bukas miracle yan, may boss.
I could hardly hear my voice, that's why I got lost.
Yeah. Yep. O, sige. Kayo muna ba?
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Mag-Uber ako, ha? Sige, pasok muna ako, ha? May ano. Sige. Okay. Sige.
Tawag tayo ni Sir.
Break pa sila.
Aral muna kayo dito.
Anong galing?
Kontrabida! Ano? Sa moto.
Tabida ka. Dito ko muna kayo dalawa.
Sige.
Turo ko lang sa inyo yung dati-duro. Sandali ah.
Okay.
Pahinga na. You need me, say, love will always be. Man, shut up.
Verse 1, may verse 2. Yung verse 1,
What you find?
I think I love you.
What you feel now?
Feel I need you.
What you know now? To be real, it's got to be real.
Ito naman, palistad. Palistad naman. So, ikaw.
What you find out?
I think I love you, baby.
What you feel now?
I feel I need you,
What
baby.
you know? To be real. Ay, to be real.
Oh, di ba may backup
Giselle,
doon?
no? Yung sa da-da-da-da, you take the whole thing, no? Okay, pagtapos nun, ito naman, what you find out.
Ayos! Ang sakit tunog.
Parang ano, right now I'm here to grow, taking my time but not too slow, enjoying every moment of every day.
You wrote a song na?
Enjoying every moment of every day.
What's it called? Diction ka.
So what more can I say?
Pangit na yung handwriting niya. Enjoying every
But I can't help but
every moment of every day. So what more can I say?
So what more can I say? Yan ba yung nakaramdaman mo? Kasi yung ano, yung right now I'm here to grow. Ibig sabihin, natututo ka na, ganyan. Kasi ibig sabihin, may natutunan ka na. Kasi nag-i-enjoy, nakasulit, na parang masaya ka na nandyan. Ano ka ba?
But I'm sure someone up there will. Right now, I'm here to grow, taking my time but not too slow, enjoying every moment of every day. So what more can I say?
Ano bang theme ng kanta mo?
Parang papasalam, parang
Papasalamat?
yung parang ganun.
Ano say?
Kahit hindi naman talaga kailangan kantang yung ano no, talagang may verse, chorus. Okay lang kita.
What more can I say but thank you? Ano ba? Ay, ibang ano na yun.
Can I say?
Lagay ito sa inyo. Para...
Apa. Parang nagwawala sa stage, no?
Parang
Pati label yung grabe yun, no?
Opo.
Pag nag-perform yung grabe yun, gumugulong sa stage.
Amen.
bongga.
Gusto mo maggumulong sa stage.
Ito na yung...
Papunta tayo.
Apa.